Ask ko lang po kung wheat bread, kung pwede siya, kaso po walang kanin, pero yun lang po ang carb. So, it depends very much kung anong reason ninyo, bakit kayo naglo-low carb. Why are you doing low carb po ba? Is it to reverse diabetes po? Yung wheat bread, halos same effect lang din po siya ng rice. It doesn't really matter if you're just giving up yung rice, tapos andyan pa rin yung wheat bread and you're trying to reverse your sugar, it doesn't really matter. Kailangan po natin siyang i-get rid. Ngayon, kung hindi naman diabetes ang problema, high blood lang naman, tapos okay naman yung asukal, matatagalan lang po kasi yun nga, yung sugar effect ni wheat is almost the same as rice po. So, hindi rin po talaga ganun kagandang alternative. Instead ng rice, why don't you try na lang po, for example, low carb bread. Join kayo dyan sa group. Ang daming recipes dyan ng low carb bread. Meron tayong mga merchants, nagbebenta ng mga low carb bread. Check them out.